everyone, and welcome to our Florist Review weekly how-to video. My name is Lori McNorton, and today I want to share with you some fun ribbon. Our friends at Reliant Ribbon Bows and Trims has sent in a collection of some bright, colorful ribbons, different sizes, and we're going to just make a little arrangement using the ribbon just to show you how fun the ribbon can be. So we have the giant polka dots. We have a linen stripe, and then I have this cute little pink daisy. Let's see what this one's called. Linen flower. So I thought as we're using this ribbon, we'll bring in some white daisies to kind of play off the pink ribbon. So let's get started. Of course, I have my dashes, which we're going to use to attach this ribbon onto just a wooden box. And this way we're going to decorate it. It's going to be perfect for a birthday party or just a fun arrangement to send to someone. So first of all, I'm going to start with the wide ribbon. And so I'm just going to kind of measure. I'm going to go down inside the container because we are going to use the fresh flowers, so a liner will sit inside this. So let's measure this off. Aren't these fun colors? We're done with the holidays. We're done with red and white. So this is perfect to bring in some color and just have fun. So all I'm going to do is take 2 dashes. Get this out. I want to make sure that, am I in the middle, Ralph? All right. Sometimes I get cockeyed. All right, so I'm just dashing those, and they'll stay in place. Same thing here. And yes, one ribbon would be plenty to enhance this wooden box, but we have a collection here, so we're going to do some fun things with that. So the next one I want to use is the stripe, and I'm just going to kind of measure out what we might need. And with this, I'm going to go back behind. But then on this side, I'm going to leave it out. So I'm going to fold this over so we don't have that raw edge. It looks like a tailored edge to it. And again, use my dashes. Reliant Ribbon has all kinds of fun patterns and different colors. So be sure to check them out, reliantribbon.com. All right, so there we have that. Then I wanted to use the daisy flower pattern, but I thought, you know, let's do something a little different. And this is the part about this. Let's see. I'd been playing with this earlier. So let me cut this off. I'm going to find the wire on both sides. And I'm going to give this some texture. And again, we'll just use our dashes. And we don't have to do one on top of the other. I'm going to go down a little bit. Twist these off as well and get rid of the wire here. And I'm going to fold that over, and that's going to give me my edge that I will use to attach that to the container. Cut that. I'm going to fold it over, and again, a couple dashes. This makes it so much easier to use all these different kinds of ribbons. Make sure it's straight here. how we've accented this plain wooden cube to something fun and colorful. Now let's add some fresh to this. I've got the liner, and this is going to also hold this ribbon in place. Floral foam, we're going to add the water into the container. And I'm just going to do something very simple. I just brought the white daisies because I thought that's going to play off the daisies on the ribbon. So that's what we're doing. And I'm going to also use just a little bit of tree fern just to make my edge, the foliage. I want it to be more about the container and the ribbon. Then let's add our daisies. With the polka dot ribbon, I cut out some of the little polka dots. And I have colored pins. And I thought, well, let's bring that pattern up into the daisies. So I'm just going to take these polka dots that I've cut out of the ribbon and insert them into the daisies. We can continue to add as many polka dots as you want, but this will at least give you an idea of what you can do. And it was really easy to cut those out of the ribbon. And there you have a fun little polka dotted arrangement full of daisies. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to catch us next week. Have a great day.